if you're encountering matchmaking error 2026 in Minecraft, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and get back to playing with friends. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect your Wi-Fi or restart your router if necessary. Step 2. Update Minecraft. Make sure that you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Check for updates in the game launcher and install any available updates. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix many issues. Close Minecraft and restart your gaming device or computer. Step 4. Check server status. Visit the official Minecraft server status page or community forums to see if there are any ongoing server issues that might be causing the error. Step 5. Adjust firewall settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Minecraft. Add Minecraft to the list of allowed applications in your firewall settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Matchmaking Error 2026 and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance.